How to link pages internally in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to link a page internally into your website on Hostinger. So the process is going to be very easy. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the H panel or the Hostinger panel, or you can call it the dashboard of our Hostinger account. Now, what are we going to do basically is going to head over the websites, click on websites list, and then we're going to have it right there. So we are going to see all the websites that has been related to our account. Make sure that you are going to have the Hostinger website builder logo in here. This is it. This is the representation of that logo. Now we're going to click on edit website. It will open up the website editor real quick, and then we are going to see our website. Here we have the website. Now, what are we going to do, or how this LinkedIn process is going to be working? So, for example, the pages or the internally in here are going to be just added to the pages and navigations. So we are going to see the pages from here, and also we can set up the link. You can add a link like this. For example, you can go ahead and name it like here. So maybe I'm going to add the name of the link in the navigation, for example, diversify, and we are going to click or link to, for example, here we have page. So we are going basically to add a link to a page, and that page could be selected from here. So for example, we have the home page, we have the blog, we have everything. Let's see here. I think that I have a page, or the home page is going to be missing in this area. So we are going to add a link, name it home, and we are going to select link to page, which is going to be internal page, and we are going to have it home. So we are going to add it as like this. So we are going to have it as the home page. So when you click on it or click on blog, for example, you're going to have another page. When you click on home, you're going to head over your home page. So you can do that for here all the pages. As you can see, we have the hidden from the navigation, the home page. It has been hidden. So I'm not going to have it showing in here, but I have a link for it. You can add, for example, here a link to website address, section, and etc. So you can go ahead and do that in here, or you can go ahead and create a page just like that, and put a name of it and hide it, or put the specific one for it. Now, so for example, here we have the payment and delivery. We have this page, which is going to be hidden. So I'm going to either show it to the navigation, or if I want to let it hidden, I can go ahead and add a link to it. So I'm going to click on link, add link. We're going to have here return, for example, policy, and we are going to link to page. Yes, we need to link to a page, and from here we are going to select all the pages that we have. So you can go ahead and see that we have the name of it as returns. Can you go ahead and choose to open it into another tab, but this is going to be used for external links, and you can hide it. I'm not going to hide it, but I'm going to have it in here. So you're going to see it set up in here. So I have something that I needed to put, which is this key. So this is better. So when you click on it, it will take you to the returns policy. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.